updates and try to combine into one video. I hope you like it, and may God bless you always and stay happy and have a successful life. I love you.
Hi baby. Enjoy well. Stay safe.
Happy birthday! Nang umar kolok tang thun na kai tote ba hamari khai thang te joto ni bangai nang hamjang mong te hamari kuplong toi phai thang chung joto ni bangai te ni bangai ba.
Happy birthday, Marina. May God bless you abundantly, especially with a long, happy, peaceful, and prosperous life. And above all, may God bless you to be a shining example for the youth of Tripura to follow. So may you be filled with moral virtues. Okay? God bless you and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Bye.
Happy birthday, my Marina!
Many happy returns of the day here. May you live long. May God fulfill all your wishes this year ahead. And once again, happy birthday, my dear little one. So, may you have a blessed year.
Happy birthday, bye. Ini special salah anak wish kali ini free.
Happy birthday, bye. May your day be as beautiful as you. A heart for you.
Many happy returns on the day. Bye. Kaitan hono day wa hamari return ni life ni journey wo day wo boring hai thong ni age day wo boring hai thong ni pizza sardi.
Hello, by Marina. Wish you a very happy birthday. Stay safe, Tata.
Happy birthday, Tata. I wish you many happy returns of the day. I hope your special day brings you lots of laughter, wonderful and fun and a good time. May God bless you and may you live long. Not only as part of my family, but also as my friend. You're amazing sister to my mom, super sister-in-law to my dad, a wonderful daughter to your family, and a wonderful daughter for me. And lastly, happy birthday, may God bless you, and may all your wishes come true.
Hello, Tatay. Happy birthday. May you live long to celebrate so many more. And may God keep blessing you with more abundant health and wealth. With lots of special wishes for your birthday and filled with every happiness and love. And last but not the least, many happy returns of your day and happy birthday, Tatay. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, beautiful. I wish you hope, love, and everlasting joy and happiness. Thank you for being my friend. God bless you. Mwah.
Hi Marina, wish you a many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all the success and happiness so that I could see every single moment smile on your face, and of course the dimple on your cheek, which is the most essential and adorable part of your character. Lots of love.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Marina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marina. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Joto no hambai ano wish kaya bagai surprise ma bagai ang saimi aje joto no anti wish kanya hene joto no hambai belai khana bukhatang thoka dangkai ada English sana. Thank you for the cake, Kumoy, for this lovely beautiful cake, and it's tasty. I wish you were here to celebrate with us. And thank you to my friends, my batchmate, and all my cousins, my Mayos, my sisters, my friends for wishing me a pleasant birthday surprise. I didn't know that you guys had this video of me wishing me. 무슨 cake 빨간.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog is a special vlog, and today's vlog is dedicated to my one and only sister Marina Jamatia Debbarma. So it's a birthday tonight at 12. Yeah, at 12. Yes, that's obvious. It's 27th today and tomorrow is her birthday, so I'm planning to give her a surprise at 12, and I'm trying to pick up a cake from one of the talented bakers in town called the Borok Chef. So you guys wait and watch. It's my first time ordering a cake from her, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it's gonna be good. So by rock tining ka special vlog ani manaino a vlog na dedicate kayo tamne ke tini 12 o'clock o pini birthday ya tini ka 27 khana 28 o pini birthday. So ang bini bagi kaisa surprise plan khai tango nge tabuk ang cake pick up khaina thangai tango nge a cake kha the Borok Chef nei kaisa chini borok no chini Tiprasa no cake
Okay, sing tabuk or a pajak dukano or decorations dukano ang Borok Google Pay Phone Pay nas na yang kanke sadly we had to buy a cheap one. They didn't accept any Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm online payment mode kanke cash kuri anro enough. So I got this small simple happy birthday in sijak abo I got that. And let's go and check out the cake. I thought ang cake sekang nanai topon ang cake sekang nalia dukan rok bondong na kya 8:30 rong khang ke ba ke ang oro phaikia sekang oro kha o opurupa ke ang tabuk thangnai cake naina ni oi ang sokol gamle o ko ya da tam gamu opor phalman jaga ya da short tamuni ya da Kabu kang sok bajak na singi tanggo ang bini nok ni location saimia ke boro thangnai ang saimia hai tangkha cake yay. So iko chini chef the Borok Chef. Hi. So bini ora joto na chin borok order khaibe di bokai na thongai tho kai cake snamo sak no nogon snamo na manai Okay, bonus rin
ang course na
ka bo jaga Delhi wow
actually that's no khaitong ko but pandemic ni bagi ta korota
so cool. The Borok Chef nani ni Instagram Facebook ro krija Facebook kri bin Facebook kri ko na the Borok Chef ni contact khamanai ang guni phone number bo link kori nai ani description o blog description so I hope no binaran panyai so monai hambai bye blog na lendo akon bye okay cinta bo cake pick up khaikya nogo thangai tango so orang khachini cake that was our chef, by the way, the Borok Chef. She has done a special class in Delhi for baking and everything. So right now she's here in Agartala because of the pandemic, and she is not wasting her time, and she's doing a great work of baking beautiful cakes and tasty cakes for all of us here in Agartala. So I'm really grateful that she is here in Agartala at this moment during my sister's birthday. So let's hope it's gonna be great, it's gonna taste great, and I wish her all the very best in her future endeavors, and I hope and pray that she's gonna be the best chef in the whole world. All the best, Manai. Himte ang dim sagara sokai kara. So sadly I just realized now
that I forgot to buy the birthday candle. I think it's almost going to be 9 and I hope that I'm gonna manage to get a candle. Maybe not a birthday candle but a normal candle will do. Tinte ang tawag si emano yang candle paanya si pogi thangka birthday candle kaklayo ang kasya kushu dukana teman nai tamni kai birthday wa mumbati pu khayang ke abo to birthday hini mangalak. Am I right? A birthday without blowing candles is not fun. So I'm still on my hunt. Candles दे दो भगवान. ए भगवान. Birthday candles. Birthday candles. Candle है भैया. Birthday candle. Birthday candle. छोटा वाला नहीं है कुछ. दिखाओ एक बार. Tamzani kasih candle tongpo. Nanya tabu. Candle bomo. Angke. I hope jenai ma hai manai. कलर वाला नहीं है दिखाओ. हाँ वो कितना है एक कितना है भैया 5 रुपया एक 10 रुपये और ये वाला 10 रुपये ठीक है चलेगा. कितने चाहिए तो मन खा एक दे दो. एक होने से हो गया. हाँ बर्थडे. हाँ भूल गया मेरी बहन का. तुम्हारा घर जाना है. हाँ तुम्हारा घर. हाँ 2 महीने है तुम. हाँ कब आया. हो गया 2 महीने हो गया. आना मुझे मन सा आगे से रेफर नहीं. आपको याद है क्या मेरे बचपन में आता था. हाँ 5 रुपया दो. हाँ 5 रुपया दो. 5 रुपये 5 रुपया दो. 5 रुपये 5 रुपया दो. नहीं हो जाएगा. एक का दाम 5 रुपया दो मेरे को. नहीं रखेगा. नहीं रखेगा. बानो ना सोया 10 रुपीस ना सोया. तो आप रखो ना. ऐसा करो 2 दे दो ना. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ क्यों पैसा लेगा. आनो मुझे मन जगो एक्स्ट्रा लेना ना यो. ये देखो अंकल ने दूसरा दे दिया. बाय अंकल. बाय. ऐसा करो ना. ऐसे. हाँ ऑलमोस्ट नगो सकपanya ना क्या. आई होप बंदूक लाख ऐसे कोतर को सरप्राइज प्लान खाइमा लिया. जस्ट केक और ना. Sapaja, iko cake, kangkurna toma cake ang kaklayo. Just ang call kaginan babuno. If my sister is there. Hello, Daddy. Hello. Nang mena krinya blehara. तोला सिटी रूम निकलो सकता है. कौन के it's not red. We can go now. It's the green sign is on. Yes, Cindy. Should we call her? Okay, let's call her. Marina, wake up. Wake up. Come fast. Come.
Happy birthday to you.
소소한 거 이렇게.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marina. Happy birthday to you. Mama Titi Pepe ne kya? She's busy taking photos. Tripura ni cake kha awang. Okay, an bawa ngai cake jeng cake snam na mani snam ria. Okay, boka awang no sana mu sungjago. So I'm taking the last bite. Baby? Ano yung mga natay siya?
Saka. 30%? Thoka. 고든이 반대께 덕수가 일상서 어성세.
Since the first time I'm babum tige cake sawo, what's from the cake say am?
Was really satisfied. Okay.
So we are ending the vlog here. I hope Jetson surprise plan kaimani abo successful in kanahane. Was it successful?
Yes.
So nang surprise dangka means kuno shishi ka doubt dangka. Nang kun cake. Ngai nang kun cake rog no kha. Okay, so the surprise was successful and we did a really great job, and thank you all of you who have replied to my DMs and messages and helping me make this video, beautiful short video. And I would also be really thankful if you guys would leave a message down in the comment section wishing my sister on her birthday. They ang norong joto no request khaya norok joto ani manai no tolao comment khaye bini birthday wish khana bagai. So thank you so much for your support and love, and that's it. Bye.